Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, just to fill up the gap, the man. You know what I mean? Make everyone happy. So today we want to simply talk about Chef Ricardo Cookbook. And I want to say, guys, a lot of people brought the book and a lot of people love the cookbook and a lot of people happy for the cookbook and a lot of people say, Chef Ricardo, you need to come with volume 2. So we're going to do something very soon, which is going to come up before 2020, in between 2020. So guys, hopefully you'll enjoy what's going on at the moment. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your time. I want to say big up every one of you guys, and I want to say thank you for also who brought my cooking book. It's amazing, guys, and thank you for the comments. Thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. It's just amazing. So blessing, love, and prosperity from Chef Ricardo and the team who are working very hard to give you your full recipe, and we are there to fill every gap. So thank you so much, guys. And you know what I mean, who so far brought the book and who gonna brought the book, big up on them. We love you and respect every time from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much. And remember, donate to the channel, guys. If you have too much money and don't know what to do with the money, you can also donate a 50% to Chef Ricardo. We have a new brand studio which we are working on, which is gonna come out very soon. Hopefully we can do something great in the future. Thank you so much and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye-bye.